How to fix your iPhone screen not responding. If you're like touching things and it's just glitching out, it's just not responding. Let's start with the first one. And this one's basically the magic trick that should solve most of your problem. First thing, go ahead and press on the volume up, volume down, and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This should solve the problem. So we're going to go volume up, volume down, and then hold this and keep holding this. Don't worry about if you don't see anything, your screen's frozen. Just keep holding it and keep holding it until the screen goes black and goes to the Apple logo. Do not release until you see that Apple logo. Now you can go ahead and release and it should restart the phone. If you're having issues with getting that process done, you'll want to make sure you retry it again and do it in a quick succession. So 1, 2, and then boom, do it kind of quick, and it should give you what you need. So that is going to be the very first one to go ahead and fix the problem. So the next one is going to be clean the darn screen. Sometimes you might actually have like an issue with the screen simply because you have some nasty stuff on the screen. So go ahead and make sure you get a microfiber towel. Use a screen cleaner if you have one. If you don't, that's fine. You can just squirt a little bit of water on here and go ahead and clean the screen really well, and then see if that fixes the issue. A lot of times water or oil or even moisture can confuse the touch display, so that could be the issue as well. That's not usually the one though, that rarely happens, but if it does, go ahead and do that. The next one is to check your accessories. Certain cases and even certain screen protectors do mess with this touch response, especially those cheapo screen protectors, and some cases get in the way as well. And then there's another weird one, but if you're using a low quality charger to plug into the USB-C, sometimes that interference with the phone actually messes with it. So take that off the charger and see if the screen starts working again for you. Now, mostly the main one though was that first tip, but try those other ones if the first tip is not working. If you're still having issues, I would recommend you then to plug this phone into a Mac and go ahead and restore iOS. If you want to see a video how to restore iOS, we'll go ahead and consider making that. But do keep in mind that would potentially wipe out all your data. So that's like a last resort. But try these tips and let us know if they helped you to fix those touchscreen issues that you might have been having. If you have any other questions or concerns and you're still having some issues, let us know what the problem is. Drop it down below in the comments. Thumbs up if you found the video helpful, entertaining, and informative. I'll catch you on the next episode. Nick here. Be sure to be well, and peace.